What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing a great video. We're going to be making my Asian chicken salad dressing. I love this dressing. It's got a nice oriental flavoring to it. It's got a nice heat kick to it. So let's get started with making it. So first, we're going to start with some soy sauce, which if you saw my Instagram post about the sneak peek, I'm using Kikkoman. I love new Kikkoman soy sauce. We'll start with about a cup of soy sauce. Get it in the bowl. And then we're going to go to a half cup of rice vinegar. I use the Jade Mountain rice vinegar, the seasoned rice vinegar. I like its flavoring a lot better than just a normal rice vinegar. The difference, I do not actually know. This is actually just the rice vinegar that we use here at the bar. Alright, next thing is going to be, this is a big jug thing I keep my sugar in. It's going to be a half cup of sugar. We're going to get this all mixed up and aerated so it's nice and fluffy with no clumps. Because having clumps in the dressing is actually hard to get it mixed up and dissolve right. Get this out of the way. Next thing is going to be a third cup of lemon juice, which again, in my Caesar dressing video, this is the same Caesar lemon juice concentrate I use. It's the lemon splash concentrate. I can buy it in bulk for the bar, so that's what I use. I prefer to use fresh lemons, like I said in the video, the Caesar dressing video, but we use lemon juice from concentrate because it works just as well for me. Now it doesn't taste the same. It will never taste the same unless it's fresh. But now we're gonna go in with some ground ginger, just generic ground ginger. I know there are some brands that are probably better, but this is what we get here at the bar. And it's 2 tablespoons of ground ginger. And then to add the kick, I just get the generic crushed red pepper. Now, the backstory behind this dressing was I wanted to do an oriental salad at the bar. And then was asked if I had a dressing recipe for it. And I don't. So the bar owner's husband, who is a great chef here, I can hopefully get him to collaborate with me on a future video. He actually came up with this recipe, and I'm putting it into a video because he said that it was okay. I'm just getting a squeeze bottle ready to go. Then make sure it's nice and cleaned out so it doesn't open up itself. Now the Asian dressing and the Caesar have about the same expiration date. They're usually good for about a month or so in the fridge, as long as you keep it refrigerated. And that right there, guys, is the Asian chicken salad dressing. Now, if you liked this video, please feel free to subscribe, like the video, share it out with your friends and family. If this is something that they would ever want to look at making. And as always, I am Chef Rager, and thank you guys for joining me while I made you guys some great Asian chicken salad dressing today.